All right, this is a quick tutorial video on how to install a amber rear-facing dust light on your truck using the Baja Designs Universal S1 hitch light kit, part number 44-8153. This is a real simple light setup. It goes into your factory trailer receiver. It comes preloaded with a clear lens, but they give you an amber lens, which you will need to install. It's only 4 Allen screws to pop this cover off and swap the lenses out. I've also ordered a 7-way trailer adapter plug. This plugs into your factory 7-way plug in the rear bumper, and we're going to be cutting this power and ground off of the adapter that it comes with in the kit, hooking it onto the 7-way plug that will go directly into your truck, and then it's just going to be a plug and play setup from there. Okay, so if you're wanting to wire this so whenever this is plugged in to the truck you have power to the light, then you're going to want to hook it onto the black number 4 auxiliary power lug, and then your ground is going to go to this white labeled number 1 plug, and that's for ground. You can see on the schematic here, you can also, instead of using auxiliary power, you could make it turn on with your headlights when those are activated. So you'd then be using the tail light color green pin there instead of this black auxiliary power pin. A couple different options. This comes out with a set screw that they give you an Allen key for. And that's basically it. I'll show you when it's back on the truck. I'm probably going to seal this up with some silicone just to make it a little bit more weatherproof. And I used eyelets up here on the wire connectors. You could also just strip the wire and clamp it directly onto these clamps. That's totally acceptable too. I used the eyelets with some solder. Might be a little overkill, but figured why not since I have the supplies. Okay, here's a finished product. You see I swapped the amber lens on. These 4 screws are actually not Allens, they are T10s. And then you will have to drill a hole. So put this in first, mark your hole, drill it. I used a unibit. There's instructions right there reminding you to do so. And then you can see the 7-way plugs in here. There's actually a nice little routing hole you can put the connector through. And then plug in down here, and definitely would put a zip tie up to this bar or something so this isn't dangling down. But that's it, real simple rear facing amber dust light. You could always even put the clear lens back on it and make that a reverse light if you wanted to rewire it, or a couple different options. So thanks for checking it out. Let me know if you have any questions. I will attach the links to both these items in the description, and enjoy guys, thanks.